Yes, hello sir. So today we are going in this video. I will explain you the functionality, how to do the login, how to do the login in Power BI, and how to create your workspace and dataset. So this is our main screen from which you can do the login in Drive Casa. So first of all, you have to enter your username. Then you have to pass your password from which you have created your account. Then just click on the send OTP button. So you can see the message has been come, like the OTP has been sent to your registered username, means your email ID. So from that email ID you need to copy that verification code and just verify here by copying the OTP and just click on submit OTP. Then you will be get logged in into our portal. But if then you can see, if you have logged in into Power BI already, then you will see the dashboard screen. Otherwise, if you have not logged in into Power BI, you will see a Power BI login pop up here, like you can see in our screen. In that you have to add your username by which you have created a Power BI account, your password, and just after that you have to click on login button. So you will be get successfully logged in into Power BI. And when you clicked on login, then you will landed on the dashboard page. So here you can see the favorites, like I have I have marked some favorite reports, so it will be showing here by default on our dashboard. So if you also select your favorite reports, then you will also can see in our dashboard. So now I will guide you how you can create your workspace. So on the left side you have to just click on the BI workspace. Then you have to create a workspace on a plus button. By clicking on the plus button, you can create a workspace. You have to give your name in the workspace. Then you have to, after entering the workspace name, you have to click on the save button. Your workspace has been created, you can see it. Then you have to create your data set as well, by which you have to give the name for a specific data set. And you can select your schemas from here, like DBO. You can see in our screen, like VW means the views, then gold star and IDMS, and everything. You can see the list here, and you can create it from by selecting here. Just click on the create dataset by selecting that. So your dataset has been created successfully. So when you go to your BI workspace screen, you can see your workspace has been created, as well as your test share underscore ds dataset also created. So now if you want to create a new report, just click on the plus button. Then you can create a new report. So this is basically a Power BI screen, from where you can select you have multiple options to create the reports, like line chart, bar chart, and etc. You can select any one of these from your chart selection. So for an example, I have selected one chart. From that, of the selected schema which I have selected, I have to just add the columns from that, and yeah, I can see the graph has been loaded here, and you can also see on the screen. We need to just click on by the menu button, like more option. You have to just click on that export data or anything you can do, and whatever you want to do, like export also. If you want to remove, then remove also. Then you can view in different types, like fit to page. You have multiple options to view your graph also. Then from the file option, you can save this graph, save this report by entering the name. So I have entered the name, like test share underscore rpt means report, and just clicking on the save button. Then this report has been created in my workspace in the dataset which I have created. So I can show you. If I select my dataset, you can see the report has been loaded on the right side of the panel. If you want to view, then on the action bar you can click on the eye icon, then you can view your report also. So like you can click on the action I button though, so you can view your report also. Then if you go to back, then just select click on your report, then again go to that. If you want to edit the report which you have created, you can click on the edit button, like a pencil bar shown over. Okay, and if you want to do some more functions on it, so I can guide you there for that also. So some functionality like refreshing the data set, doing the favorite of your reports will be I will give you the example and understanding in our next video. Thank you for it, and if you have any query then let us know. Thank you.